Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to do a little bit of a quick refresher on how to divide things in general before we jump into our long division lesson for the day, okay? So, if you remember me talking last week, we talked about how dividing is really just splitting one thing up into groups of something else. Just like when you have a birthday cake, you can split it up and give it to groups of different people. So, last week I gave you a little bit of a formula to help you remember how to divide. So, remember first we have to draw our flat line. Now, what goes on top of the line? Does anyone remember? It's how many you have of something. And what goes on the bottom? That's right. How many you're putting in a group. And what does that tell you? Ultimately, it's going to tell you how many groups you have. And that is what you want to know. So, let's practice a couple, and then we'll go into our long division. If I have 10 apples, and I want to put them into groups that have 2 apples in them, so I want to divide the number 10 by the number 2, what am I going to get? So let's do it. 2 apples, 2 apples, 2 apples, 2 apples, and 2 apples. All right, I divided all my apples into groups of 2. Now, how many groups do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. So, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. All right, let's do one more practice. I have pencils. So, if I have 6 pencils and I want to put them into groups of 3, what I'm doing is 6 divided by 3. No, guess I should write my line better. 6 divided by 3, right? So 3 pencils in a group, 3 pencils in a group, that gives me 2 groups. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And you can do this for a whole bunch of things. So today we're going to work on doing it with some bigger numbers. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to do that. All right?